These are the B elevators. 16 to 21. So, use your enunciator. And again, B elevators, we're gonna call one. So let's see, these two are at 5 and 3. Perhaps we're gonna get one of those. Or no, it's this one. Hospital size cabs. We're gonna go 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. We can only go. Oh, why wasn't it working earlier? Okay. But yeah, anyway. Hi.
Hello. Could you hit 9 for me, please?
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
It's actually 8 I'm gonna get out on. Alright, so I didn't want to go all the way up with him. But anyway, again, these are the B elevators. Yeah, that's nothing important. Just says what to do if you have a fever. But anyway, interestingly enough, I think all 6 of these are on the same controller. We're on the 8th floor. Apparently the top floors aren't locked off, but they weren't working at first. I don't know why, but it may be a while until we get another one. Alright, so I still have no idea which ones are coming. I'm gonna guess that it's gonna be elevator 19 right here. Let's see, is it gonna be this one? Nope, it's gonna be 20. This one only goes to 10. I wonder why. It doesn't have a rear door either. So we're gonna go at 10. So, what is this? Okay, for some reason that one served 11. I have no idea what's on 11. I wonder what that noise is. Alright, we're just gonna go down to 1. I have no idea what is on floor 11. Here's your cab view. Oop, we're at 8.
I always run into the doors.
Yeah.
I can't stay over this thing. Take it easy.
Alright. You got it. Alright, we're at 6. These are really busy. So we're going down. We're gonna make it to 1 nonstop. And we are. I'm gonna see if anyone wants to get on.